You can create such crazy VFX with just help of few AI prompts and you're all done. And this video is going to be a masterclass on how to exactly learn these AI VFX in just one video. That's all you need. I'm Aditya and you're watching Skill Curve. So first thing first, how are we gonna use this model? What are we going to use? Let's fix that. So first of all, this is Google's latest Omni model, and this will help you to edit our videos, adding VFX and motion, everything that you can imagine. Now let's go simply to Flow tool. If you don't know about it, we have already covered a video on Omni. By the way, you can just go and watch it. So this is Google's Flow tool, which will help us to generate video. Let me explain your interface just in quick manner. So this is basically the prompt where we'll give our prompt, and best thing about this time our prompt would not be very descriptive, just normal prompts can work. And yep, you can select here video model, selected Omni, and you can select 10 second, 8 second, 10 second, 8 second matters, but that's it. That's all you need. And here in the plus icon, you can just upload all the videos that you want to edit with, VFX and FX. So let's start with our first footage. So this footage, I stock footage downloaded, and yep, this is just a car driving through a jungle, maybe a hillside, and this looks totally normal. But what I did, I just said give it a very normal basic prompt. We just go and did a Unreal Engine 5 cinematic sequence, make it volumetric lighting, enhance the reflection, and kind of do some good color grading, and you can see the both difference is pretty much really cool. But one thing that will actually blow your mind is that I said, why not just make this convert into a road footage, into a futuristic cyberpunk chase scene where a neon light trails behind the vehicle, holographic HDI elements, glowing road marking, it's almost like lighting cyberpunk stuff, and this is looking truly very good. But by the way, this is just a mere example. We have better examples than this. I said, make it a blackish yellow helicopter chase this car, and you can see that another footage of the same clip we made it, and we are milking it very well. I mean, I'm very, very impressed by the way this model is working. Look at this footage. Okay, this is just a basic footage of a man, an older person walking in the park. But once we do something really smart here, for example, what we do is that we said, can you add a monster behind him chasing? And now look at the both images, footages in front of you from the right and left. You can see the monster is looking way too real than I initially imagined, and this is what I'm talking about, that this prompt model is insanely realistic, almost as good as I can say. I know it's kind of exaggerating, but it's not exaggerating at all, that it might be better than sometimes a CGI low budget movie. Okay, so we have this footage of a man, jogging in the pink t-shirt, proper sunglasses, hat, socks, and this is a proper, like a pretty beach type scene. Okay, once we gonna do is we're gonna add some really fun element of VFX here. So our first prompt will be, remove all the people behind and add fire there. And now look at this scene. Okay, this guy, the pink guy, is walking, and all the people behind him has been gone, except one of the guy matched the blast. Everything feels so surreal that even the camera moves the blast and everything stays still. And this is really complimentary, by the way, imagining how bad sometimes AI videos can feel. Okay, we will do the same footage, but this time I say, chase it by a dinosaur, and look at this image. I mean, the prompt is in front of you, the video is in front of you, and I think the shadows are particularly very synced. And if you look at this, like the shadows are particularly moving with the same way the wings are moving, and other dinosaurs are also coming, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. They are very, very realistic, and more than that, I want to talk about this example. So this example is, so this is a basic image of, two samurai people fighting each other in a very weird factory. So what I did, I said, change their background and make their location on some top of the mountain, so it looks more, samurai vibe, more Japanese vibe. So this is, look at this example in front of you, and I'm not saying anything, it's you guys to decide how well it is, and you're learning all this just for free, because VFX like these can cost really much. Okay, let's see another example, because this one is a little bit, just change the another background. This time I said, make the background a more like samurai temple, and this is looking really good, I guess. Okay, now let's see another example. So this example, this guy is, we can see right now is walking, is running, and what I said is, instead of this water, this ocean, make it look like a lava, full of fire. And you can see right now the differences in front of you. It is so neatly done that you cannot even say that it's based on AI and VFX, and that is the whole job of VFX and editing, right? That it makes you look so realistic, like in Marvel movies and superhero movies, that it feels so real. Okay, let's see another example of this guy. It's in front of you. It's a very short scene, portrait scene of guy, terrace, or maybe just walking from the balcony, just seeing this ocean scene from hotel. And what I did was very fun thing. I said, what, instead of this, in a balcony scene, make him inside a rocket ship. And now look at him, he's inside a rocket ship. Can you see the consistency of the character it is presenting is way more precious than we are going to admit. And this is what I'm talking about. Another example, this example will blow your mind. So this is a basic footage of a train, coming. It's a yellowish blue train, looking really pretty, by the way. So it's a normal station of some city, and yep, the train looking pretty good. And what I said this time is way more a little creepy. I said, what, make the station still a little ghosty horror stuff, and you can see the result. I mean, it's in front of you guys, right? Okay, I'm kind of scared, by the way, but if you notice this lights blinkering, everything is like flickering around. It's probably giving you a vibe of a dark station now. And if you compare it side by side, you can actually find a very detailed differences, because this model is really good at detailings, by the way. If you generate model from video from scratch, it might not be that good. It's really good when it comes to generating these stuffs, with on the top of any footage. Okay, the same footage, this time I said, what, make it run in ocean, and look at the same train running on the ocean. And why I'm not even shocked, because of course this has to happen. The model is way more authentic when it comes to generating and editing these kind of shots. And this was our Omni model, and we have seen so many examples. You can also see some of the examples in front of you too. And this is what I'm saying, the simple prompts are so good. Like, if you notice this, all the video prompt I gave was very simple, like edit this, change the location, and that's what you have to do. You don't need to go chat GPT and write some prompt. But if you want to write a perfect prompt for your video, let me teach you how to do this. Simply go to the Gemini, web app. Here you can see the plus icon. Just simply go here and upload your video, the video footage that you want to be edited on the top of, right? So like this image, just upload it here. I mean the video, of course, the video footage, not the image, actual MP4 video. Just upload it here. You can say, what, I want to edit in this direction. Can you give me some creative prompt so I can try it on? And once you do it, you have a proper, Gemini analyzing your video footage. And yes, Gemini can actually analyze your video properly. So unlike ChatGPT and Claude, it actually see things much better. So yeah, once you do it, now you have proper prompts to edit on the top of it in a more better way and more depth prompt way. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.